Hey, this is Chris Whitman with MarineMax Kent Island. Today we're going to walk through this 2024 Sea Ray 350 SLX. She is powered by twin 400 V10 outboards. We're kind of sitting in the dock right now, so I've kind of got her layout and anchor mode, if you will. So we've got a wonderful aft lounge area here with the seat rests that pull out. We've got the aft speakers. We have our own stereo control back here, sunshade. And then as we come into the cockpit, a lot of great room in here for everybody to lounge about. And then of course we can grill. We've got our wet bar. We've got our fridge here, cooler storage down below. And then you'll see in the pictures when I had the table up as well. So fantastic helm area. This is a 2 across. You have individual bolster for both the captain's chair and for the mate chair on the port side. So twin screens, of course, on the SLX, and all of your ship information run through here. She does have automatic trim control for the engines as well as for the boat, and of course joystick docking. We've got the bow area set up again for lounging out. Lots of great space here, and of course windlass anchor with washdown. This is our new 2024 Sea Ray 350 SLX outboard. My name's Chris Whitman with MarineMax Kent Island. Give us a call.